Is TimberTech composite decking better than wood? TimberTech composite decking looks just like real wood, but it's actually made using a combination of natural and synthetic materials. This gives our boards a number of advantages over hardwood decking. TimberTech decking requires virtually no maintenance at all, whereas wood decking needs to be stained on a yearly basis. TimberTech also resists fading, stains, and damage from rot, mold, and mildew, all without any maintenance or upkeep. TimberTech decking is capped with a durable polymer sleeve that wraps around the entire board. This delivers superb moisture resistance, while the strong inner core gives the board outstanding stability. After 5 years of use, wood decking begins to look tired and faded, while TimberTech decking still looks just as good as the day it was installed. In fact, all of our decking products come with a 30-year residential warranty, including fade and stain cover. That's 3 decades of good times on your garden deck, with virtually no maintenance necessary. So why have a wood deck when you can have TimberTech?